In May 2024, Earth detected a faint tremor in spacetime, a signal from a cataclysmic event billions of light-years away. Two black holes, one 50 and the other 40 times the mass of our Sun, collided in a violent merger. The energy released was greater than all the light from all the stars in the observable universe, but it came as gravitational waves, not light. This event, GW 2024-0512, shattered our expectations. Black holes this massive weren't supposed to exist. The detection was made by instruments so sensitive they measured distortions smaller than an atomic nucleus. This single fleeting signal forced scientists to rethink what's possible in our universe. From a tiny ripple, we uncovered a story of cosmic giants and a universe more mysterious than we imagined. Black holes are the remnants of massive stars, so dense that not even light escapes. When these titans collide, they send out gravitational waves, ripples in space-time, first predicted by Einstein. By the time these waves reach Earth, they're unimaginably faint. LIGO, Virgo, and KAGRA, giant observatories, detect these tiny space-time tremors using lasers and mirrors. In May 2024, all three picked up the unmistakable signal of two black holes merging. The data revealed their masses and the birth of an even larger black hole, challenging everything we thought we knew. This was not just a detection, it was a cosmic revelation. The merged black hole weighed in at 85 solar masses right in the so-called mass gap, where theory said black holes couldn't form. Normally, stars massive enough to create such black holes explode completely, leaving nothing behind. Yet, here was proof something had created a black hole in this forbidden range. Was our understanding of stellar death incomplete, or did this black hole form from earlier mergers, a cosmic chain reaction? This discovery is the strongest evidence yet that black holes can grow by consuming each other, defying the rules we thought were unbreakable. GW 2024-512 is a puzzle piece that doesn't fit, forcing us to redraw the boundaries of astrophysics. The universe, it seems, is more creative than our theories. This discovery challenges our models of how stars live and die, and how black holes grow. If black holes can merge and leap over the mass gap, then cosmic collisions may be far more common than we realized. This could explain how supermassive black holes, millions of times the Sun's mass, form at the centers of galaxies. Now, astronomers are searching for more impossible black holes, hoping to uncover a hidden population. Each new detection, with upgraded observatories, will help us map the true diversity of black holes in the universe. Gravitational wave astronomy has opened a new window, letting us sense the universe's most violent, invisible events. We're witnessing the universe in a way that was once unimaginable. GW 2024-052 reminds us how much we have yet to learn. The existence of an impossible black hole is a triumph of discovery, not a failure of theory. It hints at a universe where black holes merge, grow, and reshape the cosmic landscape. As technology advances, we'll find more surprises, perhaps even stranger objects, or echoes from the dawn of time. Each new signal is another page in the cosmic story, revealing a universe that's dynamic, unpredictable, and full of wonder. We are listeners to the universe's deepest secrets, standing in awe of its complexity. The story of GW 2024-52 is just the beginning.